All right. This is a weird one, but I love it because it's a bug. Super Crayons, a crayon car with its very own motor. I don't know if you have to keep singing, race them, collect them, color with them. It's erasable crayons. This one's definitely old. It's a little cracked. But I opened one of these a long time ago, and it works. It's a pullback car. Pull it back and let it go, and it takes off. You know what would be funny is to melt one of these down and see what the motor is like. Clearly an oval window. Big tires in the back. Now, do we have to have the debate? Is this really a bug? I think it is. Look at that. What's more recognizable than that? The headlights aren't right, though, are they? But it's a real crayon. You can color with it. This color would be blue. That's right. That hood's a little weird, isn't it? But you know, they had to make a mold and pour crayon goop into it. I don't know. Talk about in the comments. Maybe I'll open it and draw with it if I get enough comments. Look at that rear fender. A little big. What other car could it be? That's something to talk about. What the heck else could it be? Funny big bumper. I mean, they had to generalize because it was a crayon. Super Crayons, made by Warren, a Random House company. Rev it up and watch it run. Maybe. I don't know what it says under there. All right, the back of the card. Instructions. It comes with instructions. Just in case you didn't know what to do. Push the car back and forth on a firm surface until you hear a click, then let the car go. What about coloring with it? You can color with it. That's an instruction. Anyway, loads of fun. It's a Volkswagen. I love them all. Okay, bye.